here with another video. Today I'm talking about something called, well, today's video will be titled, Don't Let Other People Dim Your Light. This will be a very quick video because I have to record, I'll be recording my 5 ways to get closer to God video. I really don't like doing videos like that, but I'm more so like testimonial video type person. Anywho, okay, so don't let other people dim your light. A lot of people, like, what I mean by that is just because other people are uncomfortable, something like that, don't let other people make you uncomfortable. Y'all see the title video. Some people try to make you feel bad about being yourself because they aren't content with who they are as a person. They'll tell that you're doing too much. Just do like shade stuff just to throw you off. And then it's like, and at the end it has you like wondering like, okay, well, am I doing too much? Am I this? Am I that? But no, you're not. I'm not saying like be like a toxic. I'm not excusing like toxic behavior whatsoever. I'm just saying, God gives us all gifts, and if you're using your gift, and people are saying like, you're doing too much, whatever your personality, the way you do this and that, and it's like that is you. That's you. Gotta make everybody different. So yeah, don't dim your lights because it makes other people uncomfortable. I think that's what the title of the video is. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little short inspirational video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, whatever, and thank you.